In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your video black and white in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to drag and drop your clips to your timeline. After that, what you need to do is you're going to switch from editing section to color section from the bottom of your screen. And once you have done that, you will be able to see here multiple color wheels. But if you're not able to see all of these, you can just click on this color wheels option from here. And after that, you should be able to see these options. Then you will be able to see here a saturation option among these options named as set. So now what you're going to do is you're going to move this to the very left of your screen until this number becomes 0. And once you have done that, if we go to our editing section again, as you can see here that our colorful clip is converted to black and white video. But if you want to give it more premium look, you're going to switch back to color section, and then you can also add shades to it from the bottom of your screen.